Welcome. It's Brightest Life, and today, we are going to share with you a good topic video. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button to keep you updated of our upcoming videos. We will be pleased if you also click the like button, leave some good comments, and share this video. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Health benefits of coconut oil. One of the hottest products in health food stores today is organic coconut oil. Once maligned because it is largely composed of saturated fat, what consumers have come to understand is that the saturated fats from coconut oil are different than the ones found in animal products. Specifically, they are shorter in length and utilized by the body in beneficial ways. Coconut oil contains what are referred to as short and medium-chain triglycerides, while the saturated fats in animal products are long-chain triglycerides. Being shorter in length, short and medium-chain triglycerides are handled by the body differently and are preferentially sent to the liver to be burned as energy. One analogy is that they act like kindling to help stoke the fire of metabolism. The reason being is that these fats have actually been shown to promote weight loss by increasing the burning of calories, a thermogenesis, plus some research suggests that they lower cholesterol as well. The benefits of coconut oil are many, but let's focus on just three key areas: antimicrobial effects, weight loss promotion, and increasing brain energy metabolism. A natural antimicrobial. Approximately 50% of the fatty acids in coconut oil are in the form of lauric acid, a medium-chain, 12-carbon, saturated fat called. The only other abundant source of this health-promoting fat in nature is human breast milk. In the body, lauric acid is converted into a highly beneficial compound called monolaurin. Another fat in coconut oil, capric acid, is converted in the body to monocaprin. These compounds have demonstrated significant antiviral, antibacterial, and antiprotozoal effects that destroy a wide variety of disease-causing organisms. Obviously, that is a very beneficial action within breast milk, but it may also be of benefit via coconut oil as well. Many viruses, bacteria, and protozoa, parasites, are enveloped by a protective membrane composed of lipids, fats. Current research indicates that monolaurin and monocaprin destroy these pathogens by dissolving the lipids in the fatty envelope surrounding them. They basically disintegrate the organism's protective shield, causing them to be easily destroyed by the immune system. Other recent studies suggest that monolaurin also kills bacteria by interfering with signal transduction, thus disrupting the bacteria's ability to interact with the cells it is trying to infect. In addition, lauric acid has been shown to interfere with virus assembly and maturation. Promotes weight loss. Coconut oil promotes weight loss. In one study in which coconut oil was used as part of a high-fat diet, researchers found the coconut oil-enriched diet actually produced a decrease in white fat stores. In another study, when genetically obese mice were given a diet high in either safflower oil or coconut oil and their number of fat cells was measured, those on given coconut oil were found to have produced far fewer fat cells than those given safflower oil. Coconut's medium-chain fats are easily absorbed and preferentially used as an energy source. Their burning actually increases the body's metabolic rate. The result, as long as calories in excess of the body's needs are not consumed, is that more calories are burned, a situation that also encourages the burning of the long-chain fatty acids found in other fats as well. Increases brain energy. A very popular email chain letter claimed that coconut oil could cure Alzheimer's disease, and it promoted a YouTube video of Mary Newport, MD, author of Alzheimer's Disease, What If There Were a Cure? The Story of Ketones. The video, as well as the book, told the story of how coconut oil helped her husband's symptoms of Alzheimer's disease, AD. In fact, the improvement was dramatic. Dr. Newport decided to try coconut oil because it is a rich source of a medium-chain saturated fat known as caprylic acid. An experimental drug composed of caprylic acid, ketosin, was used in a pilot study on AD patients and was found to improve memory in 47% of the subjects tested. However, there have been no follow-up studies to date. Simple ways to use coconut oil. Here are some simple ways on how to use coconut oil. For example, it makes a delicious spread or dip. It can also replace butter in any recipe on a 1:1 basis in any baking recipe. Coconut oil can be used for sautéing and stir-frying, but it does have a lower smoke point compared to monounsaturated fat sources such as olive, macadamia nut, avocado, and canola oil. The smoke point is the temperature at which, when heated, an oil will begin to smoke. Unrefined coconut oil smokes in the range of 350 degrees Fahrenheit, while extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil both are generally well above 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The bottom line with the use of coconut oil in cooking is to avoid high heat. And that has been our episode for today for Brightest Life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button, leave some good comments, and share this video. Hit the notification button to keep you updated for more videos like this.